How to adjust font size on S25 Ultra. First you have to go to settings. Now scroll down and you will find display. Tap on it and from here you will find font size and style. And from here at the bottom you will find font size with a slider. You can just increase your font size or decrease your font size by sliding this slider. If you slide it right, it will increase the size of your font and you will get larger font, and if you swipe it left then it will decrease the font size on your system and you will get smaller fonts. And the three dot here is the third dot, and if you set this to your third dot and then you are set to the default font here. This is the default size of your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Then that's how you can adjust the font size on your Samsung S25 Ultra. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and we will get back to you soon with another informative video.